Easy steps for Bray Windshield Super Stretch installation. Here are some of the tools needed for prep and install. Suggested slip ratio: 4 milliliters baby shampoo, 32 ounces warm distilled water. No heat required. Measure the width of your glass and pull material from box. And cut to size. Bray Universal kits do not have a cap sheet, only the full rolls do. There are 3 layers here: the liner, Bray Super Stretch Film, and the cap sheet. Remove the cap sheet before install. Step 3. Prep windshield for install. Using your slip mixture, spray the glass and scrub the entirety of the glass and squeegee. Make sure to wipe edges well with a microfiber towel. Reverse roll works great for solo installs. Squeegee the film to the pillar of the vehicle to keep in place as you draw the liner across the glass. Now adjust the film and make sure the glass is covered. Go ahead and put some stretch into the film. Be careful to not overstretch. This film is not as stretchable as standard PPF. Spray with slip solution and smooth out fingers and larger pockets. Squeegee the center vertically to lock the film in place. Now squeegee everything towards you to keep the film stretched. And apply plenty of pressure to remove as much moisture as possible. Using your blade of choice, trim the film no further than a 1/4 inch from the edge of the glass. Using the rotary olfa here, that is a great option for cutting this type of film. Grab a squeegee and bump all your edges after you trim. Wipe down and inspect your install.